Hey yo, welcome back to Fahrenheit 451. We are talking about key points in this video. So if you are in the same book edition as I am, we are covering pages 38 through 50. If you're in a different edition, the first sentence in this section is, who is it? Who would it be? And the last sentence in this section is, Captain Beatty, Captain Beatty. Let's get into some key points. Mildred drops a big piece of information in this section. Clarice has died, and she forgot to tell Montag. It didn't really occur to her to bring it up to him. She says that it had happened 4 days before their conversation, so possibly on the day that Montag first missed her, the first day that he noticed she wasn't there when he was headed to work. Clarice almost predicted exactly what would happen to her. She tells Montag in an earlier section 10 of her friends have died in car wrecks, and that she is afraid of other children. What I think is important in this scene is exactly when Mildred tells Montag that Clarice has died. Immediately before this, Mildred and Montag have the conversation where they realize neither of them can remember where they met. After Mildred tells Montag what happened to Clarice, she goes to sleep, and Montag figures out that the mechanical hound is outside in the yard. That's the order of this scene. They don't know where they met, Clarice has died, and the hound shows up. The explanation for Clarice's death is sandwiched in the middle there, and one of those two things is responsible for her death. The conversation where the Montags realize they can't remember where they met, that's a symbol of how this society operates. Human connection is not important. We're looking at this society that does not value life. Someone's carelessness might have cost Clarice's life. However, the hound shows up right after they talk about Clarice. So maybe this was a careless accident, and maybe it wasn't. Beatty has already told us the hound doesn't go around randomly. It is targeted. It has a goal. It has a mission. So if the hound is outside their house, there's a reason for it. And the hound shows up right after they talk about Clarice. This could be some type of warning. Stop listening. Stop seeking. Stop asking questions.